Employee Management System Project Demo Presentation. Welcome. This is our Employee Management System demo. We will cover tech stack, architecture, data models, features, and a live workflow demo. Our tech stack for front end is React 19 for the UI, Redux toolkit for state management, React Router DOM for routing, and design components. White for builds, local storage for client-side storage. These tools provide a scalable front end with state management and routing. Tech stack for back end is Node.js runtime, Express.js API, MongoDB, and Mongoose for data, JWT for AUTH, iCrypt for passwords, and Muddler for file uploads. And we use NoMailer for emails, .env for configuration. This app supports REST APIs, authentication, file handling, and email. This is our front-end architecture. The structure is feature-based Redux, slice, selectors, and functions, and component organization using the common employee and HR folder. And we use centralized API layer in API using the API folder. And we also have protected routes with role checks. And our pages are organized by feature. The architecture separates concerns from maintainability. And this is our backend architecture. Our structure is our layer architecture is from routes to controllers, and then to service and to models. The middleware for AUTH and HR checks. We have a middleware pattern here. And we use a service layer for business logic. And we also use a modeler for file uploads. This backend architecture keeps code organized and testable. For the data modeling, we have models employee, which has personal information, work authorization, reference, documents array, and onboarding review status. We also have document model and registration token model. The document model is linked to employee. Types include OPT docs. And we also have status checking. The registration token enables a one-time registration with expiration. The relationships of the model is employee to documents is one to many. Tokens are standalone. The relationship for the modeling is shown here. Employee to documents is one to many. One employee can have many documents. Each document belongs to one employee by having an employee ID reference. Registration token is standalone. is used for one-time employee registration. Link it by email. Implemented features, we have authentication. We implemented JWT login and token-based registration, and we use role-based access. We have two roles, employee and HR. We have productive routes with middleware. We have token expiration handling. The authentication use JWT and Bicrypt. The features for employee, we have implemented employee dashboard, the personal information management, which includes edit, portfolio picture, and emergency contacts. We have onboarding application, form submission, and HR review. We have visa status management, which have OPT documents, upload, check, and view feedback. Employees can manage their information and onboarding workflow. We also have features for HR. We have hiring management page, which can generate tokens, send emails, view history, and review applications. Employee portfolios can be shown here. Employee can be search, filter, and HR can also view details of the employee and review documents of the employee. HR has visa status management page, which check incomplete docs. HR can approve or reject, and HR can send reminders. And HR can have expiration checking for the visa status. HR can manage the hiring process and check employee status. For this whole project, we have some implementation challenges. So we have document upload and preview challenge. And we find it hard at the beginning that email integration with no mailer. And we find hard for file uploading handling with modular. And the OPT document workflow logic is challenging too. But we solved the challenge by thinking about a clever architecture. Our project work contributions are shown here. Junliang Lu will be responsible for login page, employees navigation bar, employees registration page, employees onboarding application page, employees personal information page, HR's navigation bar, and HR's hiring management page. Junyu will be focused on employees visa status management page and HR's employee portfolios page and HR's visa status management page. We will soon have demo for registration. The registration process uses token-based authentication. First, HR generates a registration token. They enter the candidate's this information in the token generator form, which creates a unique token using Node's crypto library. Specifically, an email is automatically sent via no mailer containing the registration link, and the token expires in 3 hours. When the employee clicks the link, the system validates the token through a Mongoose database query, checking if hasn't expired and hasn't been used. If valid, the registration form is prefilled with the candidate's name and email. The employee then completes registration using an undefined form with validation. When submitted, the password is hashed using bcrypt with 10 rounds for security. And finally, a new employee account is created in the database using Mongoose. And the token is marked as submitted to prevent reuse. The library used for the registration process involves crypto, no mailer, and design by Crypt and Mongoose. We are look at the right side. We are on the HR's hiring management page. We are going to generate a token to invite a candidate. And we click on the Send Invite button, which is a button for generate a unique token. And the email will be sent via no mailer with registration link. Click it. And look at the email. The employee's email, we get an email from the HR. Okay. And this is the registration link just for the employee. So the employee clicks on this link and need to fill out some data, username, and create a password. Okay. After the registration is done, the employee needs to sign in. But first, look at the hiring management page. Refresh the page. You can see that the latest token is used by the employee, and the status is shown with use. Let's sign in the employee. And now we'll be showing the onboarding application that needs the employees to complete, which the employee already completed the registration. Now is on the part of filling out the onboarding application and submit the form to the HR. Now we are on the demo for onboarding application. Employees fill out the onboarding application using the onboarding form component built with an design form. The form includes personal information, work authorization details, and reference information, with conditional fields appearing based on citizenship status. Employee can also upload required documents with like portfolio pictures and driver's license using Modular for file processing. When the employee submits the applications, a Redux function called Update My Portfolio function handles the API call. The onboarding review status is set to pending in the database, and the employee record is updated using Mongoose find by ID and update method. HR reviews pending applications by fetching them from the database using a Mongoose query that filters for status pending. They view these applications in the onboarding review page component and can compare and can approve or reject them with feedback using a model interface. After HR reviews, employees can check their application status. The systems use a Redux function to fetch the onboarding status, and the UI displays the current status along with any HR feedback provided. For the whole onboarding application, the library used will be nDesign, Redux Toolkit, Modular, and Mongoose. On the HR hiring management page, any pending applications will be shown here. But because the employee has not submitted the onboarding application, so the status for the onboarding application for this employee is still set to not submitted. Let's now, for the employee, fill out the form. The input field with the red star, it means it's required. For the work authorization status here, you can select, if you select US citizen and permanent residence, you don't need to fill out extra information. But if you selected work visa, then you need to fill out the work authorization type. You have to select from the one of the five, H1B, L2, OPT, H4, or other. If you select other, you will have one extra input field visa title that you are required to fill out. For now, we just select H1B. And need to fill out the visa start date and visa end date since we have selected work visa. For the emergency contact, you are required to enter at least one emergency contact, and the reference to you are required to input at least one reference. Emergency contact, you can click on the Add Emergency Contact to fill out one more emergency contact. You can also click on the Remove this contact to remove the redundant emergency contact. For now, you are required to upload a work authorization because we selected work visa. Portfolio picture has a placeholder. It's not required to upload a portfolio picture, and it's not required to upload a driver license either. We click on the upload button for work authorization and submit a blank page. Now we need to click Submit. And the whole onboarding application is read-only now and is uneditable. It shows a message, please wait for HR to review your application. Refresh the page for HR. On the HR hiring management page, for all pending applications, the new employees role is shown, and the HR needs to give feedback for the employees' online application. HR, when click on View Application for the pending application, it will show the new employees submitted application in a separate page. Okay. HR then review the whole employee's online application and decide to approve or reject. Let's start with reject first. You are required to give reject reason. So here we give a reject reason and submit. Then the whole online application for the employee will be shown status rejected. And come back to here on the HR hiring management page. We click refresh. The application will be shown rejected. Going back to the employees onboarding application page, we refresh, then it will be shown with a message, your application was rejected. You need to submit valid Word authorization file, which is the HR's feedback. By the way, the navigation bar does not show other pages navigation options because the employee has to have a approved online onboarding application in order to view other pages. So the employee needs to replace a work authorization and upload and submit. Here shows the HR needs to review your application message again. The employee needs to wait for the HR to review the application. This time, on the HR page, we are going to approve their application. Clicking approve. Then going back to the employees page and refresh. Now, because the onboarding applications has been completed and approved, so the employee can view his employee dashboard page, which has navigation to other pages, personal information page, and result status page. Same navigation options on the navigation bar. And it has logout options and portfolio options, which portfolio options also goes to the personal information page. For now, we are going to demo for the HR hiring management page. First, we have to generate a registration token. The HR is responsible for that. We have token generating form using nDesign. HR generates registration tokens through the token generator component, an nDesign form that collects candidate information. And then the unique token is generated, which is then sent via email using no mailer with a formatted registration link. The token is saved to the database using Mongoose. HR can view the complete token history in an undefined table component. The systems fetch all registration tokens from the database using a mongoose query, and they are sorted by creation date. The interface includes functionality to copy tokens and links to the clipboard. For reviewing onboarding applications, the application review component displays a list of all applications, which can be filtered by status such as pending, approved, or rejected. HR can navigate directly to individual view pages from this list. When viewing an application, HR uses a feedback model component for input. They can approve or reject applications, which updates the employee.onboarding review status in the database using Mongoose save method. Feedback is stored if the application is rejected. The whole HR hiring management page logic will use library and design, crypto, no mailer, mongoose, and Redux toolkey. This is the HR's hiring management page, which we have shown earlier in the registration and onboarding demo. For this demo, we are showing the HR hiring management. You can see that we can invite candidate by filling out the email, first name and last name. Middle name is optional. And then click the send invite button. Then it will use the no mailer to send a formatted email with the token and the registration link to the candidate's email. The link will be expired if more than 3 hours. We have token history here, and we have the latest tokens shown here. The token history, you can see that each row has the candidate's name, email, and the sent token, and the link. And the link here is the invitation link that the candidate needs to open for registration, the day it creates, and the time that the registration link will be expired. After expire, the candidate cannot open the link. The HR needs to submit another link. Now you can see that the status is used. It means the candidate already opened the link and complete the registration. If the link has not been used, has not been registered, then the status will be shown expired. Okay. On the HR's hiring management page, we also have a section which shows all applications that are approved, rejected, or pending. Currently, it does not have any pending applications, But we have shown earlier in the onboarding demo that it has a pending application when the candidate has submitted the onboarding application. So now you look at the applications here. The HR can click on the view application to view each employee's onboarding application. It will show a new tab with the read-only onboarding application of the employee. And the uploaded document is also shown here, which can be viewed and download. View, when you click on view, it will show the preview of the document. If you click download, you can also download the file by specifying the location to download.
Before we head into resource status management demo, we will try to talk about the backend and front-end design using the slides. First, let's talk about the resource status management page for the HR. From the import, we can know that we use the end design, such as space, row, columns, message tabs. The Redux show here, and also the fonts, for the design for the Redux, the function that we will use to fetch data. Here is the selectors for getting data, in the front end. Here's the function for the fonts. You can use this to download document and read document. And also review document. Here is the components that we will use in the page. For the visa status management page, for the HR part, we can show the in progress or show all show the in progress document or documents that all documents include approve, reject, and pending, right? So now we talk about each document components that shows able. The in progress list documents. The in progress list files, the component. It will list all employees who have not yet uploaded and been approved for all required OPT documents. It will specify what the last step is for that employee, right? It can send notification if no pending and not waiting for HR. For this part, we don't have the search part because it only for the all for the all list part. So now this one we will for the all employee list. This is we will list all visa status employees. This is for looking at their upload documents. HR can search to filter for particular employee based on their first name, last name, preferred name. For the document approval component, it can show pending review documents in a table. You can HR can view, download, approve, reject, give feedback. And the last one is the document preview component. You can use to preview images or PDF. You can you can also download the document. Now I will show you the page, what the page look like. This one is for all the visa status employees. You can choose in progress, or when you choose in progress, this is in progress. Now we don't have any any document, any employees inside. Now we talk about the employee side, visa status management page, employee side. Now we look at what we import in this file to see what will be used in this file. So same as the HR part, we use the entity size. Here is the redas document that we will use. Funds and slatter. And we have two components here, document upload and status bench. Let's talk about what the let's talk about what what these two components will do. For the document upload, you know that you can use it to upload document. When you can draw the picture PDF into the small box and then you press upload, it will upload the document. For the stature bench component, you can render statues as a tag or bench. Just like stature, it will display the statues. It will use to display the stature. You will see it in the demo. Let's talk about logic. The logic, when you for the visa stature management page for the employee, you have an order to upload the document. If that one, the first one did not, such as the OPT receipt, uh, did not upload and approve, you cannot go to the OPT EAD part. And if the OPT EAD part did not approve, you cannot go to you cannot upload the I-Line 83. So determines which file can be uploaded. Other files cannot upload when you are uploading the previous one. So this one, the second logic is they will send you message, depend on the status. Uh, they will let you know, they will send you message to let you know what you need to do next, such as the OPT receipt here. If you did not upload, it will show please upload your OPT receipt. If you are pending, if you already upload pending, right, it will shows for HR to approve your OPT receipt. If HR approve, when you refresh the page, it will shows please upload a copy of your OPT. If the first one approve, it will ask you to upload the second one. These two are together. These two pictures are all for the render document car function. Okay. Before we jump into the visa stature management page process for employee and HR, first we need to register an person. This person use the username is Xiaoming. This the username for login is Xiaoming. Here is the information. The first name, preferred name, and last name. Later we will use it for the search bar. And now and I choose the work visa for F1 CPT OPT so that we can focus on the F1 work authorization time document upload process. This is a start date and end date that will show later on the visa status management page. This is here I already upload the profile picture, driver license, and the OPT receipt. OPT receipt I just For the OPT receipt I just upload our project requirement PDF. Now I press submit. There, I think. Yeah, now is please wait for HR to review my application. Press here. Yes, it shows. It shows my application here for the onboarding. Within application, approve. Decision is approved. I just approve. Submit. Now it shows approve. Refresh. Now it shows visa status page and personal information page. In order to show you the show you the sorting, the sort, such as the sorting by the last name and the search bar function. I need to create one more employee, at least one more employee here. The first name, last name, and the preferred name here. Submit. Okay. Oh, or authorization. I need to choose there. Choose anyone. Submit. Yeah, now it shows PH HR. Okay. We go to the HR side. Reflex page. Innovation. Approve it. Okay, now we will have two employee. Visa status with F1 OPT. And now we use the account that we create, the employee that we create, that is who is doing the OPT documents, who is applying for F1 visa to do the demo. Now we sign in. The username is Xiaomi. Sign in. We go to the visa status page. Since we already upload the OPT receipt, right? It will shows. Yeah, it will shows waiting for HR to approve your OPT receipt. Uh, you cannot upload the other documents. You cannot upload the other documents before this one approved. Now we go to the HR side. The left side is the employee side. The right side is the HR side. For the HR side, In the this one is dashboard. HR dashboard is it has the this one. This one is hiring management page. Yeah, as you can see, the hiring management page we have token. And here we can send tokens. This one is the HR hiring management page. This one is the employee profiles page. This one is the visa status management page. As you can see in the visa management page, in progress, these are the files that are in progress. This will show all the progress. This one is showing all. Later, after we approve, we go to look at all. It will be different. Now we do the Xiaoming one. The username who is Xiaoming one. This one is Xiaoming. Now we press the preview and view. This one is OBT receipt. This one is OBT receipt. We go back to look again. It shows it shows the work authorization time though, the start day and the end day. It will automatically calculate how many days you left. This one shows the last time waiting for HR because this one is the is showing waiting for HR HR to approve your OPT receipt. Now we preview and review. It will when you press the button, it will show you the OPT receipt that you upload. Now in the button, it shows pending document reviews for this person. You can view the document. Let's see, OPT receipt. This one, the file name that's stored in the upload folder in backend. Status shows pending. Feedback because you did not type in anything, it shows nothing. We view it. So now this one we can download and save the files. We try to save it in desktop document. It's safe. Now we try now we try to press the reject button first. Let's see what will happen. If you press the reject, you need time feedback. You upload wrong. Okay, you upload wrong document, right? When you press submit. Uh, if it shows less than your OPT receipt was rejected, HR feedback, you upload wrong document, please re-upload your OPT receipt. Now we go back to the client side, the employee side. Now it shows reject. Your OPT was rejected. HR feedback. You upload wrong document. Please re-upload your OPT receipt. Document type OPT receipt. So you upload it again. I just upload anyone. Upload the let's see which one. Oh, upload my personal resume. Anyone. Which was upload. Go to upload. Oh, it says pending, waiting for HR to approve your OPT receipt again. Right. Now refresh the page. Refresh the page. It shows review and review. Again, waiting for HR to approve your OPT receipt because you will upload. Now we press the review. Yeah, it shows my personal resume. The upload is working. Now is I press approve. I already checked the view and download button, right? Now I press the approve. Approve. Approve or approve, you can type in anything, or it's better to not type in anything because you already approved it. Now then, just submit. Submit. Okay, we refresh in the employee side. The employee side of see OPT receipt approved. Please upload a copy of your OPT EAD. Yeah, now it's approved. They allow you. Yeah, also the upload box is allowed in the next one. OPT EAD. Next document. It shows. Yeah, it also shows me please upload a copy of your OPT EAD, right? Document type OPT EAD. Okay. Also, you can see a button here. Now we show you the, we have a requirement that we need to refresh it first. We have a requirement that to send notification to let the employee know that you still did not upload the document, upload the relative document. Now I send notification. I already press send. Okay, it's sent. I think is in my personal email. This one. Let me see. Oh, here. HR department action require upload visa document reminder OPT. In email, it also shows the correct files that you need to upload. So we click this link. Uh, we can close all these files. We upload it here. You use now we upload it. Upload. You can upload anything, just any PDF. Maybe our training agreement. Okay, press it. Upload. It shows waiting HR to approve your OPT EAD now. So refresh and click review. See, this is our training agreement. Uh, it's yeah, it shows here now. I think already. Yeah, we can check the reject button again. Uh, we can the view. We can check the reject button again. You upload wrong. Submit. Uh, since you upload wrong, right? You upload wrong. You can send notification again because you upload wrong. You need to upload the document. Uh, refresh. Yeah, see, your OPT was rejected. You upload wrong. Please re-upload OPT EAD. Document type OPT EAD. Now you can try to check the send notification button again. Yes, it's already sent, right? Now I go to my personal email. Yeah, new email get. Press this one. Yeah, you go to the page again. I close this one. And I can press this one to upload any file I want. The project PDF, our project. Upload. Okay, for this time, I will just approve it since I already checked everything. The project, since I already press approve, just ignore everything. Okay, approve. Since you already press approve, right? So you will have send notification for you to less than it shows here. Please download the further one, I-98983 MPT. So less than is please download this one to fill out the form and upload it. And upload, refresh this page, refresh the employee page. It shows download. Please approve. Please download and fill out. It shows not upload. Now we test these two buttons, right? Empty template and sample template. We can download for the empty template. It's a Italian word, empty. Okay, now we check the other one, sample template. It's different one, sample template. Sample. Uh, empty, empty and sample template PDF files. I stored these two files in the template folder. Oh, so these two button is working. Also, look at the message. Please download the template, fill them out, and upload your complete document type here. Now I just upload anything. Document PDF, okay. Document PDF for this one. Open. Upload. Oh, we can try the reset button. See, reset button is the file clear by itself. It's now document PDF. Okay, we upload it. Yeah, waiting for HR and sign your I-93. It shows pending. It shows pending, right? So we refresh this page. It shows preview and review again here. Next, then waiting for HR to approve and sign I-983. Yeah, the document is correct. So for this time, I just press approve because we already test the reject, download, and the view. I press approve. Approve, station, approve, submit. So now it shows less than please upload your new I-20, right? I-20. You can send notification. I-20. Refresh this page. Refresh the employee side. Yeah, everything passed. Now they allow you to upload I-20 now. The last it's closed before. It's closed before. So now they allow you to upload I-20. For the I-20, I will what for the I-20 side. But I upload any files. Test PDF. Okay, upload. Now I try to reject it. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Yeah, this is the files that we upload. We try to now we try to reject it. Reject. We send some message. Reject. Reject by employee. By employee. Reject by HR. Submit. Reject by HR. We submit the we press submit button. Yeah, it's now it reject. It shows your HR was reject. HR feedback reject by HR fixed it. Here it also update refresh by itself. HR reject by please fix and re-upload your I-20. Okay, now we can send notification, but I will not text it again. So now I just upload any folder and document PDF again. Okay, upload. It shows the message here reject. Upload. Now we need to wait for approve again. Wait for approve. Go to the preview sign. It shows files. We press approve. This time we press approve. Post day. And also Now we press approve. I don't need any feedback message. Yeah. Then the approve was no more because you approve everything for the OPT F1 visa. So it will not show in progress anymore. It will only show in all. It will show in org. Later I will introduce the all. Now I continue in the program in progress. I'll go back to the employee page. Let's now see everything has been approved. The last message is all document has been approved. All document has been approved. We really finished the demo for the in progress part for the visa management page. Now we show just now we show the in progress visa status employees. Now we show the all visa status employees. It shows full name, email, citizenship are unknown because they are not citizen or green card. Work authorization, visa start date, end date, and the day left, automatically calculated. Uh, remember that we upload 6 files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are all approved files. It is if it is not approved, they will not show here. This one just finished the onboarding application, so it only shows 2 profile pictures, driver license. Even it already upload the OPT receipt, but it doesn't approve, so it does not show here. Now we test the search bar. The search bar search based on the first name, last name, and the preferred name. So now I put in J or J first name, depend on the first name. Okay, Jim. Okay, Yu. Okay, now only one name left. If I continue typing something, it shows nothing. It shows nothing, right? Now I type in the last name, Lu. Yeah, only 2 left. Type one more, nothing. Li, Li. Oh, Li because Junliang it also shows Li. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now preferred name, right? For the preferred name Junyu Lu is Alex. Preferred name is Alex. See, only Alex shows here. If you continue typing something, it shows nothing. Now, if I also Li Xiaolong, the preferred name I remember is I only type in the preferred name. Let me see. What's the information? Oh, Ben. The preferred name is Ben for Li Xiaolong. Ben. Yeah, Ben. It shows here. And if you try to type in the full name, right? You cannot search here. It doesn't show here because we are not depend on the full name. We are not searching for the full name. The backend we design is only for first name, last name, and the preferred name. If you type in the full name, it will not search for you. That's it. This is the all Visa Stature employees presentation.
I'm now demoing for the employee personal information page. Employees can view their personal information through the personal information page, which displays multiple sections using Ant design car components. The data is fetched using a Redux function called Fetch My Portfolio, which makes an API call to retrieve the employee's portfolio from the database. To edit information, employees click an edit button that toggles edit mode using React's useState hook. The form uses and design form components with built-in validation rules. For date fields, the system uses and designs date picker component, which integrates with the date.js library for date manipulation. Portfolio picture uploads are handled through a document model component. When an employee selects an image file, is uploaded using modular middleware for file processing. The uploaded image is stored in the uploads directory and linked to a document model in the database. The portfolio picture is displayed using and designs avatar component with a fallback icon if no image is available. Employees can manage their emergency contacts through the emergency contact section. This uses React State Management with an array to store multiple contacts. Employees can edit or delete contacts, with form validation ensuring required fields like name, phone, and relationship are provided. When saving changes, the system uses the Update My Portfolio Fund Redux action to submit the updated information. The backend updates the employee record using Mongoose Find by ID and Update method, ensuring all changes are persisted to the database. The whole employee personal information page we use library and design React hooks, modular, Mongoose, Redux toolkit, and Day.js. We are now on the employee's personal information page, which you can click the Personal Info tab on the navigation bar to redirect to this page, or you can click the personal information link on dashboard page. Look at the personal information page. So if you click on personal information page from the dashboard, you will first show the name and basic section of the personal information page of the employee, which shows first name, middle name, last name, preferred name, gender, date of birth, social security number, and email, and also a portfolio picture. When you click on the Edit button, only the email is not editable because it's prefilled on the and is stored by HR. But other fields you are able to edit. You can also upload a new portfolio picture. Let's see. If you want to add a preferred name, then you can enter here. But if you click cancel, you will say something like discard change. Are you sure you want to discard all your changes? If you click yes, then you see the preferred name is still NAN. If you click edit again, set the preferred name and click the save. Then you will see that the preferred name is updated to the database. The portfolio picture is set with a default placeholder. You can update it by uploading a new picture. We go to the address section. You will see street, unit, city, state, and zip code. Contact information section, you will see the email again, which email is not able to be edited because email is managed by the system. The work authorization is shown here if you are a work visa status. There will be no work authorization fields here if you are a US citizen or green card holder. The emergency contact section will be an array of emergency contacts, which now here only has one element in the array. We'll show the first name, middle name, last name, relationship, phone, and email of the emergency contacts. We also have a document section that you can view your uploaded documents. You can click the preview to see the document, and you will see the document status here, which shown approved. On the navigation bar, you can click the portfolio to go to the personal information page too.
Now we go to check the employees. Before we drop into employees profile page part for HR, I show you the slide to introduce something for you. This one is the employee profile page file names. These things that we will use in the that we will import and use in the page, the employee profiles page. We use and design, redux function, and selector function to get a variable in the front end, and these are the imports. No, these are the components that we will use employee search and employee summary release. Yeah, from the name you already know what it is. So for the search, right? The search we can search the name. We can search the name for the search component. We can search the person based on the last name, first name, and preferred name. For the employee summary list, right? It's a summary list table. It will show the summary list table. It will also shows the sort. It will also sorted by alphabet by last name. It will sort by alphabetically by last name. Now I go back to the front end. Oh, not this one. This one is for this column is for HR. And we can press this button, employees, or this one to go to the employee page. This one I beg it. It's in this page, in this table, it shows SSN, work authorization title, phone number, and email. We fulfill the requirements. When we click the name, right, such as my name, it will shows all the it will shows the whole employee profiles. Upload documents, emergency contact, everything inside. This is its entire profile. When you click the name, it shows entire profile. And now we go back to the employee page. Now let's see how it's sorted. Okay. Sort by the last name. So it's sort by the order them alphabetically by last name, right? See? A in the front, last name Li, Lu. Yeah, it's sorted by alphabetically. Now we uh, test the search bar. The search bar. Okay, now we type in something. I Junyu. Yeah, only these two. The first name Lu, last name only these two. Admit last name only these two. I try to delete one letter. Now search for first name HR. I continue typing something. It shows nothing. Now I search for the preferred name. The preferred name Junyu Lu is Alex. It shows here. Preferred names for Li Xiaolong is Ben. It's working. Okay.
Our project is protected by protected route, which means, for example, if you try to access a page that does not exist, it will show a 404 not found error page. You can go back to the desktop page if you want. And if you want to, as an employee, access HR's page, it will be showing an authorized error page because an employee does not have the privilege to access the HR's page. Also, same options for you to go back to login or go back.